Evie, you're at the pool relaxing?
What? Sometimes I like to come out here and bake.
I've been looking everywhere for you. We have a new episode of Real Sweet Eats to shoot. Wait, what's going on here? Where'd you even find a floaty?
Oh, they sell them in the lobby.
That's awesome, but what about those?
Oh, what? Those? Oh, no party's complete without pizza.
I don't know how you're ever gonna top this.
Easy. With my favorite pizza topping, of course, pineapple.
Ew, gross.
Haters gonna hate.
Anyways, you should hurry. We got actual pizza to cook.
You had me a pizza. Want to learn how to cook delicious pizza in the comfort of your hotel room? Stay tuned on this episode of Real Sweet Eats.
Hello, my name is Stephanie Grajales, and I'm here at the Westgate Palace with Evie Aldabas, Corporate Food and Beverage Director at Westgate Resorts, and Davy Passad, Executive Housekeeper at Westgate Palace. So Davy, what makes Westgate Palace so unique?
Well, Stephanie, not only is Westgate Palace centered around world-famous attractions like Universal Studios and SeaWorld, but there are tons of memories to make on property.
And to top it off, guests can save time and money on vacation meals by using ingredients found right here in our lobby.
Seriously? How's that even possible?
Simple. Our Westgate Resorts kitchens come fully equipped, so you don't have to worry about overspending on takeout.
Or cooking in a coffee pot.
Are they still trying to make that a thing?
Yes, it's all over TikTok. Some guy even made a chicken coffee pot pie.
That sounds like a chick-tastrophe. Luckily, all of our Westgate Palace suites are fully renovated and have all the necessary utensils that you need.
Nice.
Exactly.
Guests can even transform their suites into a literal pizza palace with our personal pizza kit sold right here in the lobby for the low price of just $12.
That sounds amazing.
It is. It's no secret that there's tons of pizza options in or around the theme parks. But have you ever gotten one for a reasonable price, whether it's delivered or at a restaurant?
No way, that's impossible.
That's what you think. See, we've perfected on how to save on snacks, rides, or even delivery with our $25 Uber credit.
Sweet dreams are made of cheese.
That was cheesy, Evie.
Oh, I like what you did there. We should...
Excuse me, Davey. Sorry to interrupt, but there's a lost pizza delivery boy running around?
Not again. Sorry, Evie and Stephanie. I need to handle this. Why don't you both enjoy some of our amenities while I help this guy out?
No problem at all. Take your time.
Awesome.
You know what that means. Activities!
This is the life. Hey, Steph, what are you drinking?
A bloody marinara.
A bloody marinara? I want one.
There's no time. Davy's waiting for us in the suite.
Wait, what time is it?
Please don't make me say it.
Come on, Steph. This ain't gonna get any cheesier.
Fine, but you owe me. It's pizza o'clock.
It's pizza o'clock!
Welcome to our big slice of life here at Westgate Palace. So here we are in our newly renovated 2-bedroom deluxe villa. As you can see, this unit is fully set with state-of-the-art furnishings, including a deluxe media setup, flat-screen TV, queen sleeper sofa. It also features a bedroom with a king bed and a master bathroom with walk-in shower, as well as additional bedroom and bathroom. And our gorgeous kitchen has tons of space for cooking and gathering, the perfect spot for a pizza palooza. Space, commercial-grade equipment, and essentials that are found in every home.
Hey, Evie, I could go for a pizzeria right now.
A pizzeria? You're such a weirdo. Maybe later, but right now, we've got a pizza to cook.
But hey, where will we find all of the ingredients to cook a pizza in a hotel room?
Steph, we just went over this from the Westgate Palace Pizza Kit, of course. Westgate Palace has cooked up a pizza kit that not only saves you time and money on delivery fees and other costs, but allows you to prepare your pizza your way. Are you ready to get started?
I've never been so ready in my life.
Same. Hold on, wait a second. Wow, much better. The pizza kit comes in 2 ways, cheese or pepperoni, and you can always add additional toppings like sausage, mushroom, or of course my favorite, pineapple.
Wow, that's so simple. Even I could. What's happening?
The pizza's so good it started a pizza apocalypse.
You ever see something like this?
Yep. Back in Chicago, when they discovered deep dish.
Huh. But did it move?
This portion of the episode was brought to you by Westgate River Ranch Resort and Rodeo. Sure, pizza is great, but does it moo?
Why do the weirdest things happen when we're together?
Just lucky, I guess. Now let's keep our eyes on the pies. With just a few simple steps to follow, these pizza kits are foolproof. First, we'll set the oven to 325. Take off the plastic lid. Put it in the oven and let it cook for 20 to 30 minutes, depending on desired doneness. And that's it! You're all done!
Mamma mia, it smells so good.
I bet it tastes even better. Oh, I think it's done! Hey Steph, what did the pizza say to the pizza cutter?
Oh no, not this again.
You want a pizza me?
You want to hear a real joke about pizza?
Bring it on.
Never mind, it just wouldn't cut it. It's too cheesy.
I'm definitely stealing that.
Hey guys!
Hey,
So what do we think about the new pizza kit?
this pizza's delicious.
That's awesome. I love it.
I can't wait to try this when I'm on vacation.
In pizza, we crust.
Oop, that's for me.
Pizza for Stephanie?
Steph, you ordered delivery?
Sure did. I wanted to see which was faster, delivery or making it on our own. And guess what? Westgate Pizza Kit is so much faster and it costs less.
Hey, that looks pretty good. Can I have a slice?
Sure can. Oh, pepperoni.
Oh, guys, with all the pizza excitement, I completely forgot to mention that Westgate Palace Resort is pet friendly, which means you can bring your entire family on vacation the next time you come.
Who knew you could cook pizza in a hotel room and save on your vacation?
I know, right? That brings us to...
Dishes and dollars!
Let's compare the Westgate Pizza Kit at $12 for a family of 4, which is around $10 cheaper than other pizza places, priced at $22 plus fees.
That means you can save on your stay just by dining in your very own pizza palace.
Viva la pizza!
From pineapple pizza lovers
What?
to budget-savvy travelers, we hope you enjoyed our Real Sweet Eats Pizza Edition. And let me just say, it ain't easy being this cheesy.
Oh, well done. I don't know about you guys, but I am stuffed. I couldn't eat another bite if I tried.
I could go for a taco.
Great Scott, pizza delivery man! That's an incredible idea, and I know just the place. Let's cheese the day!
So, Evie, are you going to give us any hints on what we're cooking up next time?
I can't say too much, but I'm sure it's a meal everyone will talk about.
Be sure to like and subscribe below.
And as always, join us next time on
Real Sweet Eats.
See you later!
That's real sweet.